Let's be honest, nothing stings more than finding the perfect remote job, and then learning the company cuts your salary just because of where you live. It happens to millions of global job seekers, but today, we're fixing that. I found 10 companies that pay the exact same salary worldwide. No cuts, no adjustments. If it pays $30 an hour in the US, you get $30 an hour too. Let's dive in. In the remote world, something called geo-adjusted pay quietly punishes global applicants. It means same job, same workload, same hours, but lower pay just because of your location. In some cases, it's a 40 to 60% pay cut for the exact same work. And most applicants don't even realize it's happening until the final interview. But here's the good news. There's a growing group of global first companies saying your value isn't defined by your zip code. These companies use role-based pay, not location-based pay, which is the fairest compensation model for international job seekers. JFPay was created years ago for traditional office jobs in cities like New York, London, and San Francisco. Companies simply kept the old system when they transitioned to remote work. But the logic no longer applies. If the work is online, if everyone uses the same tools, if everyone attends the same weekly meetings, then why should your country lower your salary? Here's how to instantly tell if a company will cut your pay. Look for phrases like regional market adjustment, salary varies by location, compensation benchmarked locally. Those are red flags, and companies rarely explain what those cuts look like until it's too late. All right, let's talk about the companies that actually get it right. Here are the 10 employers that pay you the same salary worldwide, no matter what passport you have. Company 1, Help Scout. Help Scout is one of the strongest examples of true global pay. They even publish their compensation philosophy publicly. Pay, $26 to $32 per hour. Proof, their handbook states, we don't adjust salaries based on geography. Roles, customer support, support engineering, why it matters. Their customers are global, so their team should be too. Unique benefit, a paid 4 to 6 week sabbatical after 4 years. Reality check. Their writing tests are serious and they want people who communicate clearly and calmly. Company 2, DuckDuckGo. DuckDuckGo is a privacy-first search engine that pays the same no matter where you live, and salaries often start above 100,000 USD. Roles, support, marketing ops, community. Why this matters. Their products serve a global audience, and so compensation shouldn't be US only. Unique benefit, almost no meetings plus monthly 3-day weekends. Reality check. Hiring is slow, but thorough, and you don't need a degree. Quick note, if a company publicly shares its salary formula, it's usually a sign they treat remote workers extremely well. Company 3, Automattic. Automattic, creators of WordPress, is remote first and globally paid. Pay, $55,000 to $75,000. Roles, happiness engineer, QA tester. Unique. Benefit, a generous home office budget plus co-working stipend. Why it matters. They believe pay should be tied to skill, not country borders. Reality check. The trial project is long but incredibly fair. It's based on real tasks, not trick questions. Podia is a remote-first company known for hiring globally for creator support and operations roles. In past creator support listings, Podia has posted salaries in the mid-50,000 USD range without mentioning any regional pay adjustments. While Podia doesn't publish a public compensation policy, their job listings focus on role responsibilities and skills, not location. One thing they're well known for is a very human-centered culture, including generous time off. Reality check. Podia strongly values writing quality. Tone, clarity, and empathy matter a lot in their hiring process. Quick reminder, Support roles pay equally because communication and empathy exist everywhere. They're not tied to one country, and companies know that. That's why these jobs stay globally fair. Company 5, SafetyWing. SafetyWing is a global health insurance company that values international workers. Pay $20 to $30 per hour. Roles, support, community management, sales. Unique benefit, they offer global health insurance that works no matter where you travel. Why it matters. Their customers are nomads, so global pay is part of their identity. Reality check. They prefer remote experience, but freelancing definitely counts. Company 6, Toggl. Toggl, known for its time tracking apps, is one of the most transparent companies on this list. Pay $50,000 to $70,000. Proof. They publish their salary formula. Unique benefit, paid international retreats. Why it matters. Publishing your formula removes bias and ensures fairness. Reality check. Their skills tests are tough, but if you like problem solving, this is a great match. If traditional interviews stress you out, start with Toggl or Invisible. They focus heavily on skills-based evaluations. Company 7, Time Doctor. Time Doctor hires support, admin, and data roles globally. Pay $7 to $25 per hour. Unique benefit, highly asynchronous work, meaning fewer meetings. Why it matters. Async companies don't rely on location or time zone. Reality check. You'll need strong internet and may complete technical tests. Company 8, Invisible Technologies. Invisible hires virtual assistants, operations, research, and QA across the world. Pay $10 to $20 per hour. Proof, their postings literally say, compensation does not vary by location. Unique benefit, fast growth into management tracks. Why it matters. Invisible prioritizes capability over geography. Reality check. The environment is fast and intense. Company 9, Superside. Superside is a creative operations company offering global pay. Pay $5 to $35 per hour. Unique benefit, massive investment in training and internal education. Why it matters. They want consistency across teams, not country-based pay scales. Reality check. Even admin roles may require examples of past work or writing quality. Company 10, Contra. Contra is a freelance platform that enforces global minimum rates. Pay $20 to $80 per hour. Unique. Benefit. You keep 100% of your earnings, no platform fees. Why it matters. It removes the race to the bottom pricing that many freelancers face. Reality check. You need a polished profile, but once you build momentum, it snowballs. So those are the 10 companies that truly don't care where you live, only the quality of your work. Now let's quickly compare your top opportunities. Help Scout, Automattic, Toggl, and SafetyWing stand out for stability, transparency, long-term growth, and clear salary formulas. These are your best starting points. Now, how do you apply smartly for global pay companies? Tip 1. Focus. Don't apply everywhere. Choose 3 to 5 companies and tailor your applications. Quality beats quantity every single time. Tip 2. Salary transparency. Always prioritize companies with published salary bands. If they're transparent, they're fair. Tip 3. Writing skills. Improve your writing, and especially for support roles. A strong writing sample can outperform a resume. Red flags to avoid. Skip any job listing that says regional market adjustment salary varies by location. That's code for pay cuts are coming. Remote work should give you freedom, not punish your location. That's why I research real companies every week so you can find roles that actually fit your life. And if you want extra help, grab my free Smarter Job Search Guide. The link is below. If this helped, make sure to subscribe for more real remote job opportunities. And if you're updating your resume, Tools like Resume.io or JobScan can save you hours. I linked both below. Next week, I'm breaking down 7 quiet remote jobs hiring right now. No calls, no meetings. You definitely don't want to miss it. And before you go, here's a quick teaser. I just finished researching a brand new list of 7 quiet remote jobs that are hiring right now. Absolutely no calls, no meetings, and perfect if you want calm, focused work. I'll walk you through all 7 in next week's video. Turn on notifications so you don't miss it.